quick tutorial on how to install the BMC Client Management Console. So if you are using Trackit 20XX, Trackit 2018, 2019, you will note that you can install client management as part of that installation. Now, old users of Trackit will be familiar with the discovery, the auditing within Trackit. That is now handled by client management, so it's a separate product which integrates with Trackit. So all of that discovery, auditing on demand, remote control, that can still be done within Trackit as it's integrated. However, the client management console will open up many more features and functionality that isn't available from within the Trackit console. So if you're licensed to do so, you'd be able to do patch management, remote control, software deployment. Some of these features may come in at a later date with Trackit, but as I say, outside of the Trackit console, you can access them through client management. So even if you're not licensed to do them, it's still a very useful product, BCM, because it will open up some other features such as operational rules, queries, etc. So in order to install the console, the quickest way to do that is through the browser. So open up your browser and go to https://server name. In my case, it's called Track 2018 :1611/console. And this will open up this page where you can install the Java console. Obviously, that's the first link, but the process would be to first of all ensure that you've got JRE installed on the machine, and you would also need the Java certificate. So really, as I say, the best step to do is first of all try and install this Java certificate. If it doesn't install and says you haven't got JRE, then you can click on one of these links here, in this case Windows 64, and that will install JRE to that machine. It will, and most likely, say there is a newer version available. It's not necessary to install that. You can run this one. This will work adequately. So once JRE is installed, you can then go back to installing your Java certificates, and then finally back up to this link, run the console, and that should put a shortcut on your desktop, and then you'll be able to access the console, which looks a little bit like this. And as you can see, there is so much features and functionality available should you be licensed to do so. Hope that's been useful, and catch you on the next video.